Mr. Doorknob, I am Dr. Landon, the senior scientist working on this case. Are you ready to proceed?
I'm a little nervous.
This is the only way we can help you. Our team needs to know how you would respond at different points in history. That is the only way we can save you in the future.
Oh, man.
Start the time machine. Target date 3021 BC.
Ugh, ugh, arg. Ugh, ig, ugh, ugh. Erg. Ugh, ugh, erg, ugh, ugh. Erg, ig, ugh, ugh.
We have to try another time period. Start the time machine. Time set for July 1776.
The Redcoats are coming. You have to do something. Protect our home. Protect us.
Don't worry, Betsy. Old Ironside will get them. Ha! I got them, those bastards.
No, you didn't. You killed our neighbor, Mr. Hewley. He was plowing his field.
Oh my God! I thought that was a cannon he was dragging through his field. I killed Mr. Hewley. No!
We'll have to try another time, Mr. Knob. There must be some period where you are not murderous. Start the time machine. Time set for March of 1969.
Can I have a toke of your joint?
Well, I guess so. But remember, I have the cooties.
Well, no. No one ever died of the cooties, did they?
I killed her. I killed Sheila.
I am sorry, Mr. Knob. We'll try once again. This time, into the future.
Mr. Doorknob, you have been accused of murdering hundreds of victims. The jury finds you guilty and sentences you to death by blowtorch.
Well, then I guess I'll just see you in hell.
Sustained.
Just a doorknob.
Sustained.
Just a little innocent golden doorknob.
Enough. The court is adjourned.
No! That can't be my future! I was supposed to go to Vassar!
We have tried, Mr. Knob. I'm afraid you do not fit into society as a free knob. Seems you have a murderous personality issue.
No! I didn't mean it! I'm just a doorknob! Just an innocent little golden doorknob!